Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M11 and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. To get started, you want to hold your power button, ignore the Google, and from there you should have your boot options show up eventually. From here you want to hold power off. Once you do so, as you can see, it changes into reboot to safe mode, which we're gonna confirm by selecting OK. And this will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into the safe mode. Now I will add that safe mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device if you have some kind of problems with it, where it's just not functioning as intended, and the problem isn't hardware based. So, for instance, if your screener is broken, that could classify as not functioning as intended, but it's a screen is broken kind of problem. So safe mode would help you with software side. Maybe you have downloaded some malicious application that is preventing you from using the device as it's supposed to be. Maybe just giving you odds that you can't get rid of or stuff like that. You could boot into safe mode, and whatever application was causing you problems would no longer be able to do anything here because it cannot run at all. And that also extends to you not being able to open up apps, any kind of third-party apps I should add, which I don't have any right here to showcase, but they primarily become monochrome applications, and if you try to open them up, it would give you a pop-up saying that downloaded app is disabled in safe mode. Now, to get rid of it, if it's not visible anywhere on your home screen, you would just go into something like settings, and from here to apps and notifications, I believe. Should have some more apps. Oh, there we go, apps. And it will load all them up, all of the ones that are installed right here. And you can then select one, just to kind of showcase this, and select uninstall right here. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal mode again, you can then hold your power button once more and simply select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.